Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Motyeowe 18.5-inch portable monitor 100% sRGB 1080p CNC frame ultra slim portable laptop game office monitor with VESA FHD. IPS HDR USB Type-C, HDMI monitor. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Motyeowe 18.5-inch portable monitor. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 2023 new HD large monitor. Provide widescreen viewing experience, advanced IPS matte screen support 178 degrees full viewing angle extensive compatibility provides two versatile USB Type-C port, mini HDMI ports. Equipped with 3.5mm audio inputs, you could connect to headset keyboard and mouse, laptop, PC, phone, Raspberry, Xbox, game, devices, and more. This portable monitor with 1920x 1080 resolution, it renders accurate and bright color, draws you into the video or game with lifelike colors and amazing detail. It can effectively reduce blue light radiation damage, no flickering, eye care, and make it easier to watch for a long time. Built-in speakers deliver robust and smooth audio-visual experience. Portable monitor masterful craftsmanship, 95% of the shell is made of aluminum alloy, and the high-precision smooth aluminum chassis creates a noble and elegant design. That's stronger and firmer than magnesium or plastic. The included magnet protective case works as a perfect multi-angle stand, provide various tilt angles. 18.5-inch portable monitor back matching 75x75mm 4 holes can be easily and stably installed on the bracket for horizontal and vertical adjustable 180 degrees. Select the optimum viewing position for your monitor, and save valuable space for your gaming and workstation. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you. Make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell. Select all and press it, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.